If Pixlr is failing to save your image, don't worry. This is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the best step-by-step fixes to solve the Pixlr fail to save image problem, protect your work, and get your project saved properly again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and creator tutorials. Let's get into it. First, the simplest fix is to clear Pixlr memory by returning to the home screen. Click Home, but keep the tab open so Pixlr doesn't fully close your session. After that, reopen the project from History. This can help reload the project in a cleaner state and remove temporary glitches that may be blocking the save process. Once the project opens again, try saving it one more time and check if the issue is resolved. If Pixlr still won't save, the next thing you should do is create a PXZ backup. This is a very important step because it protects your work before you make any more changes. Click File, then click Save, and choose PXZ as the format. Download the project backup to your computer. PXZ keeps your edit data, which makes it easier to reopen and recover your project later if anything goes wrong. Even if the main save is failing, having a backup gives you a safe copy of your work. If the problem continues, try changing your browser. Open Pixlr in another supported browser and load the project again. Sometimes, the issue is not with Pixlr itself, but with the browser session, extensions, cached data, or compatibility problems. Switching browsers can immediately fix save errors without needing to change anything inside the project. Another very common fix is to disable hardware acceleration in your browser settings. Go to Browser Settings and search for hardware acceleration. Turn it off, then restart the browser completely. Hardware acceleration can sometimes interfere with online editors like Pixlr, especially on certain devices or graphics setups. After restarting, go back to Pixlr and test the save function again. If none of that works, check your disk space. Open this PC and verify that you have enough free storage on your computer. If your drive is nearly full, Pixlr may fail to save files properly because your device doesn't have enough space to complete the download or temporary file process. Freeing up space can solve the issue faster than you might expect. So to recap, the main fixes are: clear Pixlr memory by going home and reopening from History, save a PXZ backup, try a different browser, disable hardware acceleration, and check your available disk space. Follow these steps in order, and in most cases, the save issue should be resolved. If this video helped you fix the Pixlr fail to save image problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Pixlr troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.